friends. What's up, amigos? A merry little Christmas. Let your heart desires have a shine. A merry little Christmas sign. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? What's up, human creatures? It's Elaine Murillo. And for today's video, guys, it is highly requested by the chefs of 5 Michelin restaurants that even Gordon Ramsay keep on messaging me. He said, "What are you doing? Where is the requested Lord bloody hell?" So, shall we? We are not going to use this stove because I don't know how to open this. Let's go to the easiest one. Babe, stop recording. I'm not ready. Really? Anyway, guys, we are now in our dirty kitchen. This is the easiest stove that I can open. And this is the Ramyun noodles that the chefs are dying to know for. We are now going to cook this one. You and I never know it's done before. So this is the kind of stove that I can open only airway. While waiting, the following ingredients that I'm going to use, it should be secret. However, how could I say no with those chefs of 5 Michelin restaurants? Gordon Ramsay, we're like super close friends. He even asked me out for a date, but I said, "Hey, stop that. I'm too good for you. This is only a secret, right? Between you and me. Don't tell this to anyone." Thanks, what a pit you are. Have a news to us once more. People sing it up. I don't know the lyrics. It's boiling! Oh my God! So we are now going to put this instant noodles, alright? To all the chefs out there, please listen carefully what I'm trying to say. This is my favorite Korean instant noodles because their instant noodles is so soft and I love its spiciness. Because it brings me something burning sensation. See guys, this is what it looks like. These noodles have cheese. Oh my God! And now it has eggs. Oh my God! I can't eat instant noodles without eggs. Alright guys, as you can see, this is where our bowls and utensils are located, alright? And I can't even reach it. So this is what I always do. Children, do not try this at home. For the utensils, we're just gonna move. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like now. Why it doesn't look like mouth-watering? So remember this one, the majestic Japanese nori. Please watch that vlog of mine, the baked sushi. I'm so cute in there. I'll add Japanese nori whenever I eat instant noodles. And then I add some eggs. Oh, another Japanese nori. And then eggs. Alright. Oh my God! And lastly, cheese. Here, I wash my hands just so you know. And there you have it. That's how I eat my instant noodles. So, for the chef out there, especially those who work in 5 Michelin restaurants, thank me later. Alright! This is my favorite hamburger. Yummy! It's so cheesy! I just told myself last week that I am going to start a diet. I will avoid eating instant noodles, and here I am. I'm doing this for you guys. I just did this just for you. My lipstick is gone. So, would you like to have a ramen date with me? Feeling. Just so you know, I love spicy also. That's why I'm hot. Come on, guys. Don't. I'm hot. See, the confidence there, the confidence. And that's it for today's. Oh my gosh, guys, I got full. My stomach is full. It's like I'm carrying a 3 months baby. Oh my god! And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, I'll see you guys next week. Bye! And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Elaine. Alright, bye! I see you guys next week. Bye! Excuse me. Alright. What's up, human creatures? It's Elaine, guys. So for today's video, guys, is highly requested by the chefs of 5 Michelin restaurants that even Gordon Ramsay keep on messaging me. He said, "What are you doing? What are you